Just to confuse you guys a little bit more, if you haven't heard of Guoyue, or Guoyue to keep it easy for everyone, this is Bigme's fighter brand. It is the exact same company. They just created a fighter brand to undercut the competition and kind of corner them in releasing more units. This is the V6 Color Guoyue. 7.8-inch Kaleido Plus, that's 2nd gen, octa-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs onboard storage, and a 3000 milliamp battery. Let's check it out. You know how many devices we open here? My goodness, I get to do that a lot, honestly. And I hate taking the plastic off of things. I love keeping the plastic on things. Obviously, I need to open things like this, so that's why we open it. Now, guys, this is not the S6 Color Plus. This is the S6 Color Lite version in a Guoyue body, and you'll see in a second it does look different. I've never seen it yet, I've just seen photos, so we'll put this off to the side. I don't know what kind of pens Guoyue uses right now. This could be the traditional A3 pen with the laser pointer on the back, or it could be that black one they've been using recently. This is the traditional one that everyone uses, yeah. So you can double press the power button to turn the laser pointer on, as you can see like that. This one is not the one with a USB charging on the back. You don't need to charge it to use it. All you need to do is charge it to use the laser pointer and the dictation and stuff like that. You do have the documentation in here. Now, Bigme and Guoyue do something I don't really like, and that's make this really small box, and then what they do is they give you all this other stuff. So I'm not sure why they did that. Why not just make the box ever so slightly thicker in order to accommodate all this stuff? Now, I don't know what kind of case they give you either, because this is a Guoyue case. It is not a Bigme case, although the Bigme case will fit. But let's check it out all the same. So this is a black case that says Guoyue on it, and this is a nice kind of brushed black aluminum case, so it'll slide in there. They also give you this, the accessory package, so it's a little bit convoluted the way they package everything, because they make the box so thin, but then they give you a tertiary and a secondary box. So I don't know, it's just kind of strange. So in here should be some tips as well, and you can see they are the standard tips. Sorry, there's just so much stuff to open here. Alright, so in there you get the black tips, you get the removal tool, and you get the SD card removal tool as well with a black USB-C cable. Alright, that's everything, guys. Now, moving over to the unit itself. This one has a black front bezel instead of the silver gray, and the backing is all new as well. This is this kind of midnight sparkle black backing. It does have the V6 color lasered into the body this time, not just a little sticker that they print off. So that was a nice choice, and the front is all new. It all looks brand new. We're going to do a first time boot up to show you the inner workings of it just real quick before we get into the review. The side is also a gunmetal now. It has changed from the traditional light silver. There's your SD card. There's your one speaker. You should have another speaker on here. No, it just has one speaker. You have some pogo pins on this side. You have some pogo pins on that side. And on the bottom, you have a microphone, dual microphone setup, status indicator light, and USB-C. That was it. And the top has the power button with fingerprint unlock. Now, we have gone and started this, so we're just going to skip over as much as possible and show you guys the inner workings of the UI. Now, this does give you the ability to skip right over everything, which is great, and you do have Google Play on board as well, and it is all in English or whatever language you want, and we will show all this in the full review. We understand this is getting a little bit confusing. Companies like Bigme, companies like Onyx, they just have so many things. We're trying our best to kind of make it to a level of understanding for you guys. We're going to push this through an update. We're going to do a full review on it, and we'll let you guys know our findings. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2023 Kaleido Plus, for some reason, V6 Color by Guoyue, aka Bigme, for GoodyReader.com. Thanks for watching.